Guess what, guys? Today we'll be listening to some sick, cool motor sounds from the thing, from the waterspin. And there they are. You hear it? Hear those motor sounds? I know you can hear those motor sounds. I'll place my phone on here, like characters. I can feel this thing shaking right now. Right now. Oh man. Oh, it's upside down. Oh man, now the hydraulic switch is made loose. And it needs some grease. Oh man. Oh, whoa. It's kind of scary to see that massive 4-ton thing going towards you. There's the motor well, and you can't see it spinning. Not because it's now spinning so fast. Oh wait, you can see a little bit of differentiation in shades. Shaking, capture the drilling. Oh wow. Okay guys, sorry, but I don't know how good this is gonna come out on the camera. But let's hope that it's that you can hear those motor sounds on the camera. I certainly hope so. Oh wow, now you can really see it. Oh, it stopped. And now oh wait, the position isn't correct enough. Then that guy moved the position. Then the guy in the controller moved the position a little bit because it's not aligned closely enough with the other thing. And now the hold thingies are going up. Look. Okay. So anyways, since this video has to be 3 minutes for YouTube to render it as a long form video, I'm gonna give you a little tour of this place. This is the boat thingy pingy ping. And this is the previous roller coaster. Now it's being demolished, as you can see, for a new version. Epic, right?